This is my review of the Milwaukee battery-powered caulk gun with the clear tube. You can see very clear. It looks to be a rigid plastic on the tubing. You also have this nozzle at the front end, and then extending out the back you have the caulk gun arm, which will push the caulk out through the tube. So I'm going to demonstrate this. If you'll notice on here, I have it at the highest speed, number 6. Number 1 is very slow. It's just for if you have a very, very lightweight caulk. Number 6, or very heavyweight caulk. Number 6 is if you have a lightweight caulk. It'll go very quickly though on number 6, so be sure that you're ready to apply a massive amount at that speed. So with no more delay, and you'll notice there at the very end what it does is it backs off so that the caulk will not continue to spurt out the tube when you're done. Thank you very much.